Hey retailers, as many of you know, if you've been working with me, I tend to read a lot. And so I thought I would start to just share with you some of the books that I'm reading. And because they are all relevant to business, life, more time, more freedom, all the fun things that I love. And so I just thought I decided to share with you because I was speaking with a few clients and giving some tips on what books I have read. One of the great books I've just read, in fact, I'm reading it round two again, is The Key Person of Influence by Daniel Priestley. Now, this guy, as a coach, can summarize things way, way better than I can. So I would encourage you to read the book. But some of the things that I think are super, super useful for you retailers, successful retailers beyond seven figures is Daniel talks about focusing on your niche market. He talks about being a micro niche. And I think this is so important. I do talk about this all the time, but I think he explains it a lot better. And that's basically making sure that you've niched down, you really honed in on who you're serving within your store. And you've got a clear brand identity and a value proposition within your niche and within your community in your bricks and mortar store. The other thing that I really like about this is the power of storytelling. If you've been working with me on the advanced program, then you know we work together to sort out your mission, vision, values. But I think what's really good here, what Daniel explains, is how you then communicate your mission, vision, values, and your impact to your customers and making that as part of your brand story. I thought that was super, super useful. He goes on and says how you can become a key person of influence. So I think for many of us, I think this holds really true because what it does is it allows you to develop a clear pitch for yourself, even though you think you might be just a retailer. But when you go out and network into the real world, I think it gives you some really key distinctions on how you can stand out and how you can use your pitch to grow your bricks and mortar store. And then he talks about value creation, which I think is really, really important as well, making sure by knowing your target market and the strategy for how you're going to deliver value within your store. And of course, relationships, which are so important in today's bricks and mortar age, how you build strong relationships, how you maintain them, and how it's essential for success within your store. So there's my quick 2.5 minute review of The Key Person of Influence. Read it. I highly recommend it. And yeah, if you've read it, I'd love to know in the comments below. What did you think? What did you not think? What did you think was crap? And yeah, until next time, catch you later.